Tatalakayin ko ngayon ang quarter 3, week 9 ng grade 7 math. So, ito ay solving problems involving sides and angles of a polygon. Tapos na tayo sa regular polygon doon sa ating last video. So, ngayon, irregular polygon naman ang ating isosolve. Okay, so ito yung example ng activity. We have the activity 3, discover me, and activity 4, find my x. So, these activities are credited to the writers, Ma'am Crisel Bistante and Ma'am Marjorie Ingaran. Thank you po.
You are watching Tutor Medj.
Okay, so let's start with activity 3, discover me. So, una nating isosolve dito is to find for the value of x here. So, take note, bago tayo magsimula, kailangan alamin muna natin kung ano ba yung sum measure dito sa loob ng quadrilateral. Okay? So, unang step natin, find the sum of the interior angle of the quadrilateral. Okay, take note, quadrilateral ito kasi we have 4 sides. Okay, so S now is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees, where your n is the number of sides. So, ibig sabihin, we have now 4 minus 2 times 180 degrees. Now, subtracting 4 minus 2, we have 2. Multiplying that one, we get 360 degrees. Ibig sabihin, ang sum measure dito sa loob ng quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Kailangan nating alamin ito para makuha natin yung value ng ating x. Okay, so let's have now our step 2. So, sa step 2 natin, we have to solve for the value of x na. Okay, so ilagay natin x equals S minus the sum of 103, 42, and 66 degrees. Okay, so ilatag natin yung 360 degrees, then minus. Sulat lang din natin ulit yon. Ngayon, let us add up this part first. Okay, so we have positive 211, then dahil minus yon, syempre minus pa rin yung operation dito. Okay, so subtracting now 360 and 211, our x now is 149 degrees. Yan. Ngayon, sunod natin yung z. Take note ha, kasi si z ay adjacent angle ni x, kaya madali na natin itong makuha. Dahil ito ay magiging straight. So, ibig sabihin, pag straight yan, magkakaroon tayo ng straight angle, or etong x at z ay magiging supplementary angles. Okay? So, meaning, it will be equal to 180 degrees kapag pinag-add up natin ang x at z. Kaya ang reference natin for step 3 is your 180 degrees. Now, we will subtract 180 degrees minus the obtained value of x, which is 149. So, subtracting that one, we get now 31 degrees as the measure of our z. Okay, so dito, kung mapapansin, wala tayong nakalagay na label. Lagyan muna natin ito ng label. Okay, kahit hindi ito yung hinahanap, lagay lang tayo dito ng label para makita natin kung ano yung value dito dahil later gagamitin natin yan para makuha yung y. Okay, so ito ay parang ganito rin sa x-ray. Dahil supplementary angle sila, ibig sabihin, our reference angle now for step 4 is 180 degrees. Kaya 180 degrees minus 103 degrees, yun ang magiging value ni W. Okay, so this is now 77 degrees. Now, we can proceed with Y. So dahil alam na natin yung Z at W, take note, yung isang triangle, ang interior angle measure nito is 180 degrees. Okay, so yun ang sum measure. Kaya, pwede na nating reference yung 180 degrees in finding y. Kasi, nakita naman natin yung value ni z at ni w. So, we have here, y equals the sum, which is 180 degrees, minus the sum of z and w, yung 31 at 77. So, latag natin. Y is equal to 180 degrees minus, ang sum nito ay 108 degrees. Therefore, Our y now is 72 degrees. O hayan, solve na natin lahat. Nahanap na natin ang x, z, and y. Okay, so now let's have activity 4, find my x. Determine the value of x in the given figure. So, bago natin hanapin yung value of x, alamin muna natin yung number of sides ng polygon given. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 6 ito. So, ibig sabihin, hexagon siya. So, ang step 1 natin ay find the sum of the interior angle of the polygon. So, gamitin natin yung s for the sum. So, we have s equals n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So, ang n natin ay 6. Kaya 6 minus 2 times 180 degrees, we have 4 times 180 degrees. Now, our sum here now is 720 degrees. Okay, so let's proceed with step 2. Solve for the value of x. Ngayon, we have here s equals, ilagay na natin lahat itong mga narito na given data. So we have x plus x minus 41 degrees plus x plus 28 degrees plus x plus 19 degrees plus x minus 16 degrees plus x minus 2 degrees. Now, our s is 720. So, ilagay na natin. 720 degrees equals, bilangin natin ilan bang x lahat ito. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we have here 6x. And then, carry lang din natin ito. Since addition naman, kung ano yung operation dito, yun na rin yung kanya sign. So, we have negative 41, positive 28, positive 19, negative 16, and then negative 2. So, for the next step, we put together like terms. So, yung positive 28 at positive 19 together, negative 41, negative 16, and negative 2 together. So, summing them up, we have 28 plus 19 is 47, and then summing up 41, 16, and 2, we will have here negative 59. Okay, simplify natin. 720 degrees equals 6x minus 12. Okay. Next one, so dito, gagamitan na natin siya ng additive inverse. So, kailangan matanggal si negative 12 dito. So, we need to add up positive 12 to both sides of the equation. So, we have now 720 degrees plus 12 degrees equals 6x minus 12 degrees plus 12 degrees. So, slash out na natin itong part na to. Now, let us proceed. We have 732 degrees equals 6x. And to find for the value of our x, dapat matanggal si 6. So, divide both sides by 6. Now, canceling 6, we got 122 degrees as the value of our x. Okay, so let's have here the value of our x. So, ang value ng x natin ay 122 degrees. And this will be our angle 1. So, ready na tayo. So, lagay lang natin yan. Angle 1 yan. Ready na tayo to solve for other interior angles. So, as simple as substituting the value of our x here. So, lagay muna natin angle 2 equals x minus 41. So, yung x doon, palitan na natin ng 122 degrees. So, ang angle 2 natin ay 81 degrees. Next, for angle 3, we have x plus 28. Si x, palitan na natin ng 122. So, adding them, we have now 150 degrees as the value of angle 3. Angle 4 naman, x plus 19. So, 122 plus 19, we got 141 degrees. For angle 5 naman, we have x minus 16. So, 122 minus 16, we have here 106 degrees. And for angle 6, we have x minus 2. So, 122 degrees minus 2, we got 120 degrees. Okay, to check kung tama yung ating sagot, so we just simply add up all the angles we have obtained. Yan. Sum natin. We got 720 degrees. Ibig sabihin, pareho sila ng step 1 natin. Okay. So, kung ikaw ay hindi pa nakasubscribe, please do subscribe for more video tutorials. Thank you!
like, and subscribe. Tutor Med.